Hello traders, and welcome back to Grok Trade. Caroline Alexan here, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Tuesday, January 24th, 2012, and we are getting ready to analyze our Q's chart here, as always. So let's get started. Let's take a look at our chart and see what happened here today. We are making our first lower high and our first lower low here since the high that we made at 60.21 here yesterday and formed that low doji at resistance. We're still struggling at this key area of resistance right here, the 59.83 mark, which we've been talking about for quite a while, and we are pulling back down, closing the day below it, forming that lower high and a lower low. But we are still staying above the 8 moving average in a bullish territory. Okay, we're still above the 8 moving average, as well as above that lower area support right here, the 59.23 mark, which you should have already on your chart, because that's another significant area of support that I would like you to watch really closely once we get closer and closer to it, because that's important. And as you can see, it's a key area of support right now. The 8 moving average and the 59.23 mark are crossing over, right? So we need to be really careful in that environment at this area of support. So pay close attention to that one tomorrow, as well as pay close attention to the 59.83 again and the 60.21 mark. And the 8 moving average is at the 59.23. Yeah, that is a key point for you to remember. All right, and then the other thing that I see here is that the MACD is traveling south. So that is pretty nice to see. We are seeing a little bit of a pullback, a lower high and a lower low forming on the chart, and then the MACD traveling south. So that is pretty nice. But in terms for us to get bearish, where we go down and continue lower, we would first of all need to not only break through the low of today, which was at the 59.41, and close below it, we'll also have to break through the 59.23 and then close below all of the areas of support on the way down. Okay, so that would be a significant area of support here, the 59.23. So pay close attention to that one. All right, yeah, and always look for confirmation with the MACD. The MACD is traveling south, so that's what we should be seeing on the on our Q's chart happening. So pay close attention to everything that's happening on the chart, and also look for confirmation with the MACD. And then the volume, you're still pretty high according to our volume bars. We're still right at the average, so nothing really significant is happening here. So pay close attention to those little guys, and look for spikes in volume. All right, so I hope it helps you. Have a wonderful day.